Hey guys, so I was working in a company and I was really very upset because I was unable to see any growth in my career. So I was really looking out for some course, to boost up my career and so that I can get some good salary hike and all. I thought of joining Oxford Global Academy of Excellence, and after I took the free counseling from the counselors, they were superb in their job. They went through my profile and they have suggested me front-end developer course. After I took the course, all right, so the faculty and the instructors, they were superb and they really helped me a lot. And now, trust me, after taking the course, I have joined a multinational company. I got 100% salary hike and I'm super happy with my job, and I've joined as a front-end developer. So thank you so much for being with me and for this career growth I got for you only. Once again, thank you so much, Oxford Global Academy of Excellence.